You got a fire in your belly. That burning desire to make something of yourself, to create something that stands the test of time. It's that spark that keeps you awake at night, planning, dreaming, and envisioning a future where your ideas come to life. A dream you can't ignore. It's like a whisper in your ear, constantly reminding you of what could be. You see it so clearly in your mind's eye, the success, the impact, the legacy. But dreams, as vivid and inspiring as they are just the beginning. You want to build something great, something yours. You want to leave a mark, to create a business that not only thrives, but also makes a difference. It's a noble pursuit, one that requires more than just wishful thinking. That's amazing. But here's the deal. Dreams are free. They cost nothing to conjure up, to imagine. But turning them into reality, that takes hustle. That takes a plan. It requires dedication, hard work, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. Turning them into reality, that takes hustle. That takes a plan. You need to map out your journey, set clear objectives, and be prepared to face challenges head-on. It's about putting in the hours, making sacrifices, and staying focused on the end goal. Too many entrepreneurs jump in headfirst without a clear direction. They have the passion, the drive, but they lack the roadmap. They get lost in the maze of tasks, overwhelmed by the sheer volume of work that needs to be done. They're passionate, they're hungry, but they're lost. They find themselves spinning their wheels, working hard but not making the progress they envisioned. It's a frustrating place to be, and it's all too common. They're playing the game without a playbook. Don't be that person. Take the time to create a solid business plan. Outline your goals, your strategies, and your milestones. Know where you're going and how you plan to get there. A well-defined business plan is your roadmap to success. It's your guide through the ups and downs, the twists and turns of the entrepreneurial journey. It helps you stay on track, measure your progress, and make informed decisions. It guides your actions, helps you secure funding, and keeps you laser-focused on your goals. Investors want to see that you have a clear plan, that you know what you're doing and where you're headed. A strong business plan gives them that confidence. It's the difference between wishing and winning. It's what separates those who dream from those who achieve. It's the foundation upon which successful businesses are built. So, are you ready to build something real? Are you ready to put in the work, to hustle, to turn your dreams into reality? It's not going to be easy, but it will be worth it. Are you ready to turn that dream into a legacy? Let's get to work. The journey starts now, and the future is yours to create. Think of building a house. It's a complex project that requires careful planning and a clear vision of the final outcome. You wouldn't just start laying bricks without a blueprint, right? Without a detailed plan, you risk making costly mistakes and wasting valuable resources. You need to know where every wall goes, every window, every door. Each element must be precisely placed to ensure the structure is sound and functional. Your business deserves the same level of planning. Just like a house, a business needs a solid foundation and a clear roadmap to guide its growth and development. A business plan is your blueprint for success. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve them. It forces you to think critically about your idea, your market, your competition. By analyzing these factors, you can identify opportunities and potential challenges. It helps you identify potential problems before they become major roadblocks. This proactive approach can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. It's not about creating a rigid document that sits on a shelf. A business plan is a dynamic tool that evolves as your business grows and changes. It's about having a clear understanding of your business, inside and out. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and stay focused on your objectives. It's about knowing your numbers, your customers, your strengths, and your weaknesses. This comprehensive insight is crucial for strategic planning and growth. With a solid plan, you can navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. You'll be better prepared to handle challenges and seize opportunities as they arise. You'll make smarter decisions, attract the right investors, and build a business that lasts. A well-thought-out business plan is your key to long-term success and sustainability. So, take the time to create a comprehensive business plan. It's an investment in your future that will pay off in countless ways. Remember, every great business starts with a great plan. First things first, define your business. What problem are you solving? What product or service are you offering? What makes you different? This is where you crystallize your vision. You need a clear, concise explanation of your business that anyone can understand. This is your elevator pitch, your 30-second story. Think about your mission statement. What are your core values? What impact do you want to make on the world? This is about more than just making money. It's about purpose. Define your business clearly, and everything else falls into place. You'll attract the right customers, the right investors, the right team. You can't sell to everyone. You need to know who your ideal customer is. This is your target market. Who are they? What are their demographics? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Understanding your target market is crucial for crafting a message that resonates. It's about speaking their language, addressing their needs, and providing solutions they're actually looking for. The more you know about your target market, the better you can tailor your marketing efforts, your product development, your entire business strategy. Section 5, the secret sauce, your unique value proposition. In this section, we will delve into what makes your business truly unique and how you can leverage that to stand out in the marketplace. What sets you apart from the competition? What makes you special? These are the questions you need to answer to define your unique value proposition, or UVP. This is your unique value proposition, or UVP. It's the core of your business strategy and the key to attracting and retaining customers. It's not enough to be better than the competition. You need to be different in a way that matters to your customers. You need to be different. Different in a way that resonates with your target audience and compels them to choose you over others. You need to offer something unique that compels customers to choose you. This could be a unique feature, a special service, or an innovative approach that no one else offers. Your UVP could be anything: superior quality, innovative features, exceptional customer service, or a combination of these elements. It's about finding what you do best and highlighting it, or maybe a strong brand story. A compelling narrative that connects with your audience on an emotional level can be a powerful differentiator. Find your differentiator and own it. Make it the cornerstone of your marketing and sales efforts. Your UVP is what makes you stand out in a crowded market. It's the unique combination of benefits that you offer, which your competitors can't or don't. It's the reason why customers will choose you over the other guy. It's what makes your business memorable and desirable. Define it, refine it, and shout it from the rooftops. Make sure everyone in your organization understands it and can communicate it effectively. Your UVP is your secret sauce, your competitive edge, and the key to your success. Section 6. Mapping your path. Creating a strategic roadmap. Now it's time to create a roadmap for your business. This is where you set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. What do you want to achieve in the short term? In the long term, how will you get there? What resources do you need? Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and easier to track. Your strategic roadmap will keep you focused and accountable. It's a living document that evolves as your business grows and changes. Section 7. Bringing your vision to life. Execution is key. A plan without action is just a dream. It's time to execute. This is where you put all your planning into action. Start building your product or service. Start marketing your business. Start connecting with potential customers and investors. Execution is all about hustle, grit, and determination. It's about putting in the work, day in and day out, even when it's hard. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to start. Just start. You'll learn and adjust along the way. The most important thing is to take action. Section 8. Don't trip at the finish line. Avoiding common pitfalls. Starting and running a business is hard. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But don't let common pitfalls trip you up. Avoid spreading yourself too thin. Focus on your core strengths and delegate tasks when necessary. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Stay adaptable and flexible. The market is constantly changing, and you need to be able to adapt to stay ahead of the curve. Learn from your mistakes. Every entrepreneur makes mistakes. The key is to learn from them, adjust your course, and keep moving forward. Section 9. Go get it. You have the power to turn your dream into a reality. You have the passion, the drive, and now, the knowledge. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, it's worth it. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your unique contribution. Now get to work.